Hi everyone, welcome to my class and it is new class and today's class is so interesting and so easy. In the previous class we discussed about development of embryo in dicotyledon and in today's class we discussed about development of embryo in monocotyledon. Dicotyledon means they have two cotyledon and monocotyledon means they have one cotyledon. So first we understand the figure, then I will tell you that what you are writing in the exam when the question is given in the exam. So let's start. We all know that development of embryo is called embryogenesis, and I also discussed in the previous class that the development of embryo is called embryogenesis. First, we understand the figure, then what you are writing in the exam, I will tell you. When the resting period is over, the oospore, that is oospore, the oospore divided transversely and formed two cells. One is basal cell, another is terminal cell. Okay, the basal cell is not further divided and the terminal cell is divided transversely, but the basal cell is not divided and form a large cell that is called vesicular cell. But in dicotyledon both cells are divided, basal cells are divided and terminal cells are divided. So basal cells are not divided and form vesicular cell, and the terminal cells are transversely divided and form two cells. One is middle cell, another is last cell. Then the middle cells are divided transversely and form two cells. Let's see that what these two cells. Okay, middle cells are divided and form two cells, and the end cells are divided vertically and form pair of juxtaposition cell. The so what meaning of juxtaposition? Juxtaposition means they are lying together. So pair of juxtaposition cells are present. Then the end cells are further divided vertically and form four cells. That is called quadrant. That form four cell, that is called quadrant. Then these quadrant are again divided vertically and form eight cell, that is called octant. So octant are formed, but they are present in two tiers, and in each tiers four cells are formed. In the octant is developed from one cotyledon, and that is called scutellum. In this octant, the dermatogen develop, peribelum, pleroma, all are developed. Peribelum and pleroma are laterally developed. In first, the dermatogen develop. So in this figure, we see that there is a suspensor जो develop from basal cells, and there is another radicle, plumule, cotyledon. One cotyledon is present, so it is known as monocotyledon. So what is radicle and plumule? Plumule means that the shoot is raised from this position, and the radicle means the shoot is raised from this position. The radicle in this plumule and radicle. Plumule means shoot developed, radicles mean root developed. Okay, and also in this figure we see that there is an word coleoptile and coleoriza. So what is the meaning of coleoptile and coleoriza? Coleoptile means it is the cover of plumule. When the root or shoot are arise, the external environment are harm to harm to these things. So there is uncovering, and the shoot is covered, that is called coleoptile, and when the root is covered, that is called coleoriza, and it is occur in monocotyledon, and monocotyledon has scutellum. Okay, we understand the figure. Then see that what what you are write in the exam. Let's discuss. I told that after resting period was divided transversely to form two cell proembryo, one basal cell, another is terminal cell. Then the basal cell, which is large and lies towards the micropylar. Okay, the basal cell lies towards the micropylar end, and the terminal cell lies towards the chalajal end. And this basal cell does not divide again and transfer into large vesicular cell. I also told that. Then the terminal cell divided transversely forming two cells. One is middle cell, another is lower cell. Then next, middle cell divided transversely into two cells, and the lower cell divided vertically forming a pair of juxtaposed cells. Then in the next step, the lowermost cell was divided vertically and again divides vertically and form quadrant. Quadrant means four cells are occur. So it is quadrant. Then the quadrant now divided transversely to form octant, having 8 cells arranged in two tiers of 4 cells each, and dermatogen form. Later peribellum pleirum are differentiated. All the region found from the octant develop in a single cotyledon, that is scutellum. Okay, all let's clear all the things. Okay, so we discussed this short note is not very important, but we know about in this thing. Uh, we I don't know are what are given in the examination, so I discuss all the things about the short note. Okay, जो भी डाउट होगा उसको कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट देना, और मैं उस डाउट क्लियर करूँगी. एंड माय चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना और लाइक एंड शेयर कर देना. ओके, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.